What's up, man?
I'm excited, are you?
I'm very excited. Welcome to Pineys Garage. I'm Mark.
I'm Jeff.
And we are your backyard DIY mechanics on YouTube.
Absolutely. We have an unconventional way of doing things sometimes, but we got to keep the episodes coming in, don't we?
We get it done somehow. So what do we got behind us? We got the Focus, which is finished, by the way. And we got Jeff's 96 Jeep Cherokee, which we featured last week with some excellent welding job by
Domenico. He did a great job.
Yeah, he did a fantastic job. So
why are we here?
Why are we here with these cars and these beautiful white wheels? Sparco 16-inch wheels.
Rally life. Good luck. So basically, we decided to go to Newcastle, Delaware, and pick these up. It was originally his idea. I had 33-inch tires with some life left on them, but they rode really bad with the gearing I had. I geared it down. And he's like, I'm going to Delaware. I'm picking up tires and wheels. I'm like, why? He's like, oh, I'm saving about 80 bucks.
Yeah, I kind of motivated him. I told him I was getting wheels and tires, and he was like, I'll find a reason to buy new tires.
Yep.
So,
between the two of us, we saved almost $200, maybe spent 30 bucks in gas.
Exactly. So we cruised up there in Delaware, the Terrra warehouse.
Took an F-150. We got some good shots. It was early Saturday morning,
rainy. Got some shots inside the F-150.
Coffee.
So
I'll tell you what, we showed up there at 10 o'clock. These guys at Terrra, if you've never been to Terrra, they have the most energy in the world. They're great. Like these guys blew us off our feet at 10 o'clock in the morning, like auctioneers. Read out the whole script. Accidentally read the receipt number and everything. The guy was insane. Like it was a good time.
If you haven't picked up your tires, but you have been getting tires from Terrra, we suggest go check out the warehouse.
If they're local,
people there are great.
If you're local, it's nice.
Exactly. So stay tuned. It's going to be an awesome episode. We're going to see some tires and
Tires.
Shall we?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to Terrra in Newcastle from Mays Landing, New Jersey. Going to Delaware. It's like almost an hour ride each way. We're both saving about an average of 70 bucks by picking our shit up. He's picking up a nice, normal, standard set of nice tires. When you see what I'm picking up, they're 3 feet tall. So we're gonna fit them in the bed of the truck. We're borrowing a pickup truck and we're gonna get it done. Hopefully everything will work out. I might even be able to get them mounted balanced today. So it's a rainy ass Saturday morning. We're doing more Piney project stuff. Mark, as you guys know, he's doing a lot of engine building work and swapping work. Unfortunately, what size tires do you have now? 215s are not going to work. I have a front wheel drive car with almost 300 horsepower. That's 400 pounds heavier, and I'm running 235s and I can't keep them going. So I think he's, what are you, 225 now?
Well, we're on our way to pick up
yes, we are.
A Sparco 16-inch wheel with a Firestone 225 on it. What is that?
What color?
White.
Oh, that's right, folks. White wheels on a nice silver ZX3 hatch. Will it look great? Yes. Will I be able to hang out with them? No. We'll be cleaning them every weekend. Well, actually, we would still be able to hang out. I'll have somebody to actually detail everybody, while you're detailing your mud truck, Now I'll have somebody to detail it with.
I don't think it's going to be that bad.
Every once in a while, I like to take it to the mall,
I think it's going to be that bad. A lot of people talk shit on the white wheels.
I'm pissed off.
Like when you were about to buy your wheel.
And you said do it, and everyone else said don't, and I conformed because I didn't want to be cleaning my wheels every weekend. I still use my car a lot, so
a lot.
So with that said, I didn't want to. So you know what I did? I painted my fucking calipers white. Even better. I went right to the source of brake dust and painted those. Fucking idiot.
Keep it long enough, we can get classic tags.
Yeah. You guys going to the meet? No, we're going to the mall. The 35 should hopefully make the ride a little nicer, a little more high. I'm thinking I'll get a mile per gallon or two. I just got to go a little easier on the donuts and shit because it is a bigger tire.
Yeah. So you bought a little gear that goes in your transfer case for your speedometer, right?
Yes.
So how do you install that?
They're fairly pricey, but a lot of the older vehicles have a gear. A sensor plugs onto the end of the shaft and it reads how fast it spins. Okay. The gear lines up with something in your transfer case if you're four-wheel drive, and a lot of older cars it's the transmission if you're not four-wheel drive. And the gear spins on another gear. You stick it in, you mount it, it sits right on the outside of my transfer case. And that's how you get the proper speed.
Passing Cowtown Rodeo.
You guys probably might get a brief shot at that. Anyway, Pineys project has got a lot. Hopefully a lot to keep us going, keep you guys interested, and for us to have fun most important. We're in Delaware now, correct?
Hi, I'm in Delaware.
Hi. So here we are. We're probably, it's 8:10-ish. We're probably like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes away, and we'll see what we come up with.
There you go, welcome to Delaware. Yeah, we know what we can park in here. This is what it's for.
We're customers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I think I see your knobbies.
Oh, yeah. The funny thing is, I've probably ordered 3 or 4 sets of tire rack. Everybody at some point has used a discount tire or a tire rack, and you never go to their warehouse to see what exactly goes on. You just order, and this is kind of cool.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on? Look at that.
Wow. I'm Mark.
Wow. Mark and Jeff. And we're hopefully it's all gonna fit in this 6-foot bed, because that bed is looking small now, bud.
I'm gonna pull the truck up in a second.
I didn't bring it down.
He could probably just.
I'll pull it around.
Yeah, we'll pull it up for you, man. We might even be able to hand load it. Not even need to.
I want to see the wheel.
No, you have to wait to see the wheels, doggy.
What's that?
I get some scissors.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
He's excited.
Yes. Remember, people.
Tire rack.
Drive
Delaware.
safely and have loads of
What you get.
hot.
Oh my god. Oh, dude, look how fat. Dude, 50 was a good idea. 50 was a good idea on the fucking profile. Look at that. That's nice.
That's your hardware too.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah, that looks great.
All right, let's pull
Look
around.
at them chop blocks. Yeah, look at that.
We're gonna leave those on and let the road.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. So we did it. We saved probably what, 150 bucks total or something like that, almost 200.
Together, yeah, about 200. Well,
And it wasn't a long trip for us being out of Mays Landing.
And they also waived New Jersey sales tax.
That's right.
That's right. It was right.
You're absolutely right, Jim. Yeah, we're pretty excited. Taking a look at those tires I just showed you. They're definitely a little narrower than the door tracks. I was told on the forums that these KM3s run a little smaller than the actual size, you know, 12.5. But it's going to be a better looking profile on the Jeep. It's going to have more of a military look, I think, a narrower, taller tire. And that's what I was shooting for. A little easier on the road as well. These has beautiful white Sparcos. They are absolutely gorgeous. We got to wax them good. They are beautiful. I don't want that blue peeling anytime soon on them Sparco letters.
Clean.
They are really nice. I like them a lot. So, yeah. And I think looking at the tread on those Firehawk Indies, I think it's going to be perfect for what you're looking for. They seem sticky. I think they're going to break in nice. They're not going to be anything great, but I think they're going to get you by on that width on a 2,600 pound car. So
I think they'll be just fine for.
so we're leaving Tire Rack now, and we're going to make our way back. So. All right, so we were in Tire Rack, and I was scared. I didn't bring the camera inside. This guy could have sold you a Ferrari. He fucking was a flight attendant or something in his past life. He grabbed his walkie-talkie in the warehouse and told everybody in the warehouse, yeah, I have 4 16x7 4-108 ET42 Spark Terrra wheels, white with blue lettering, and I have it on wrapped with 34 UL 35 TL 19 H close required lug nut for vehicle with 225/5016 Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. He read the whole order like that, and I really wish I got it on camera. It was wonderful. So yeah, we're on our way back. I think we made out really well. We're super happy. We just got to keep an eye on them wheels. They're wiggling left to right, but they're not going to go back or forward. So
No, I'm serious. I need help. No, I'm serious. I need help. No, I'm the one that needs help right now.
hi Nancy. I called yesterday about possibly mounting and balancing and getting an alignment on a set of tires. He told me to call this morning just to check in with you guys, see how you guys were making out today, to see if that was something I hope you guys would be able to squeeze in.
Is this something that you're leaving with me and I'm getting it done by the end of the day?
Absolutely, whatever's easiest for you. As long, I mean, even if you got it done this weekend, but he said Sunday is God's day, so you guys do not work on Sunday. So you probably know who I'm talking about.
I'm working at home, so I don't know what he means by not.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're fine. You can come in.
Awesome. I am running a little behind. I'll probably be there around like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Hopefully that's okay.
It's fine, because we're here to force. It still gives us the whole day to get done what we need to do.
Awesome. Yeah, it's just a mount and a balance and alignment's all I need. It's on a bigger truck, but he said 35-inch tires shouldn't be a problem. So he said we should be good. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Sounds like a plan.
Thank you. That's good footage. I don't care if you're fucking Spielberg. That's good footage.
So, let's do it. Stick around. Oh, shit.
Come back again. Come back again. Yeah. We were like a foot and a half in front of that rock. But you did move the camera back. I noticed as soon as we were a new set of wheels and tires for the Focus because the build's done. I want to go wider.
Damn it, man, we're stepping in front of the rock. God.
I'm just used to when we do our
I know.
being that, knowing we're that. Can we can't get that camera any wider?
No, it's a fixed lens.
I feel like I'm screaming. Look how far that's.
All right, well, here's fine.
We can bump it.
All right. Welcome to Pineys Garage. I'm Mark,
I'm Jeff.
and we are your backyard DIY.
Gotta do it again.
DIY.
Mother.
DIY. DIY. The one take, I was ready to freak the fuck out. There was a flyer out of my head. All right, let's go again. We got it down. We got the script down. We're good. We're good.
Area, New Jersey.
Uh-huh.
It was originally. I don't think this is gonna work out.
No,
here.
it will. It will. It gets done.
Yeah.
So we got two awesome.
That was great.
Just stay there.
Please like and subscribe so I don't have to use this hand pump forever.